Hello, viewers. You are welcome to my presentation this time. Uh, if you have looked at the topic I'm presenting types of investment you can engage in. Types of investment you can engage in. A lot of people have seriously been thinking on how to retire early and how to also boost their current income, most especially at this time when the things are getting tougher and the economic situations are getting a bit tougher. So it is very important to have additional sources of income and also to make sure that you are able to earn an income while sleeping. Whether awake or asleep, you can be earning income. So investments. First, investments are generally grouped into assets classes based on their share financial characteristic. Before I continue, it is very important for me to make a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. What I'm presenting this time is just for educational purpose, based on my experience and also based on research that so far that have been made on various types of investments. The best choice of investment depends on your risk tolerance and also how much time you have. When I talk about time it is about how long more do you have to retirement. Some people want to retire early, but when you look at your current financial status or situation, it makes it difficult for you to think of retirement. So it is very important that you find an investment that can actually meet with your current financial goal. So one of the investments, the investment generally they are grouped into different categories, and so I'll be talking on equity, stocks and shares, and also real estate investment. Although I will not be going deeper into details about this investment at this moment because time will not permit us, but in my subsequent series you will get more details on various types of investments. Now, about stocks and shares, which also is regarded as equity. It gives you an opportunity to own stake in a company that is existing, such as the companies like McDonald's, like some banks, high street banks, and some other companies that are doing very well. So you can buy a slice of shares or fraction of the share of the company and be a stakeholder in that company, and this will give you potential to earn a dividend from those company and also to enjoy the long time growth in high long-term growth in the company. Most of this has a risk. So the risk depends on the company. There is it could be with equity. There is a high risk of volatility. It means that it can go up or down depending on situations, just like recently as a result of wars in some part of the world. The prices of oil skyrocketed, and crude oil skyrocketed, so that can have impact on stocks and shares. So it is very important to note that. And then there is also what we call fixed income. So fixed income are such as bonds and gilts. So essentially they are just like a loan to government, and that is regarded as gilt, loan to government, and or a corporation. So when you loan corporation, it's a bond, and they can be fixed term bond and also fixed term income. This you're able to know exactly what you are expecting at the end of the term of the bond. So that is about bond. Then with bond, it is bond is low risk than stocks and shares. So the risk for it is lower than that of stocks, but the value also can also drop depending on the interest rate that is applicable at that time. So that is with bonds and gilts. Then there is what we call also ETF and mutual fund. So ETF and mutual fund are money from many investors pulled together to buy diversified basket of assets like stocks and bonds. So with this, you are able to buy from diversified assets and a lot of other companies that are in the ETF. So ETF means exchange traded fund. That is the meaning of ETF. So that is and also the benefit is instant diversification of your assets, of your investment, which reduces the risk that than risk of owning a single investment in company. So that is that. Then we also have a cash equivalent, which is savings account, and however, savings account does not provide you with a lot of returns. So then alternative investment includes real estate, property investment, investing in real estate, and To invest in real estate, it's capital intensive. So owning a physical property which could be used as a for rental income is capital intensive, and also it is yield a very good returns. So these are the type of investment. So like I said, for real estate, it could be in various form also. It can be either direct ownership of building or indirect investment. So with direct is capital intensive. You're going to need a capital for the property, and the indirect investment is real estate investment, which is regarded as REIT, and that also can be invested in through stocks and shares, and also through ETF. So there are other investment which are commodities, such as physical goods like gold. Gold over a period of time it appreciated. It appreciates over a period of time, and also some invested in cryptocurrency and many more. So in our next video, we're going to talk in detail about how to invest in stocks and shares, and how to select the best stocks or ETF. And also we're going to also find a time to talk in another video about investment in real estate. So thank you very much for your participation. See you in my next video.